What's good, everyone? Today I'm going to be working on my 2004 325i. I'm going to be doing the fuel filter. Now I'm aware that the pre-facelift models do have a different fuel filter, so everyone just watch out for that. But as always, this video isn't going to be spot on for your exact vehicle, but you can watch this as a guideline and use that to help you. Right here, this is the fuel filter that I'm going to be installing. As you can see, there's two connections at the bottom. I believe that the pre-facelift models actually only have one connector at the bottom. It's usually recommended that you replace these fuel hose clamps. Now these are a specific type of hose clamp. I bought them from the dealership for about $4 a piece, but you can probably get them from SVP Euro or online for way cheaper. Alright, once you have your vehicle safely jacked up with all the support that you need, you're going to want to go under the driver's side part of the car. Follow the jack point under the driver's side door to the right, and you should be able to see the actual fuel filter. It is held in by size 8 screws. Okay, so what I did here was I removed most of the screws. I just left the one in the back because it is kind of tricky to get to. And in my situation, I don't have to remove the whole shield. Just move the shield slightly to the right so it's out of our way. Step 1 will be removing the filter from the holder itself, which is held on by a 10. So now you have the filter off of the holder. You can start going at these lines, and these are the hose clamps that I was talking about. These, when you take them off, you usually want to replace them. Mine are actually looking pretty crazy, so I'm going to replace them anyways. But what people usually do is they leave these two on and then just take these two off so that they only have to replace two. Same goes for the following side. Check this line right here. I'm just trying to zoom in on the camera. Check that line in right there. If that's corroded, you're going to want to replace that. Install the new one. Always make sure that it's in the right orientation. Once you have the fuel filter on in the right orientation, make sure you plug everything back up. Want to tighten your hose clamps. These are tightened by a size 5. Once you have all the clamps tightened up, here are the two clamps I replaced. You can go ahead and put the holder back onto the middle. Once you double check all the hoses, you want to just reinstall the cover by installing all the screws all around. Okay, now once everything is back installed and you double checked all the hoses, what you want to do is turn your key to the second position. That's 1, 2. What that's going to do is prime your fuel pump, make sure that there's fuel going in. And then you want to go ahead and start your car.